Welcome to 622 Pike Avenue. Built in 1960 by local architect Augi Schaefer, this mid-century modern home's organic shape and clean lines create an alluring abode. Set on a quiet street in lovely Attleboro, Massachusetts, a stone walkway lets you glide into the striking open floor plan, featuring an impressive vaulted ceiling. The exposed brick and hardwood floors add warm texture, while floor-to-ceiling windows suffuse the space with nature views and sunlight. The gorgeous fireplaced living room flows seamlessly into the dining area for animated cocktail parties and Sunday brunches. Walkout access lets you step out to the landscaped backyard for a beautiful indoor-outdoor living blend. Back inside, the sleek kitchen offers ample cabinetry and updated appliances in the tucked-away zone for meal prep. Circle back to the main entry and follow the crisp hardwood floors into the bedroom wing. Off the hallway, you'll find a full bath with a dual-sink vanity for your guests, along with two pleasing bedrooms with large closets. Finally, you'll find the primary bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, complete with a walk-in shower. Follow the central staircase down to the partially finished lower level, presenting a family room that extends your entertaining options with attractive built-in cabinetry. Access to the integral two-car garage lends ease and convenience. Finally, a large workshop gives you extra storage space, while a bonus room lets you create a fourth bedroom or a handsome office. Attleboro is home to Capron Park Zoo and is just minutes from more than 300 acres of nature preserve land with miles of maintained hiking trails. For commuters, a 5-minute drive delivers you to the South Attleboro commuter rail station for direct access to Boston. Shop and dine downtown or nearby at Emerald Square Mall and Bristol Place. Step out in style 20 minutes away in Providence, home to dazzling waterfire, plus world-class entertainment and dining. To schedule a private showing, call me, listing agent Kim Winslow, at 401-212-6648.